Today, we're going to be doing some prospecting within Claude itself to use the power of Opus 5 and the Cleanlist MCP in order to get a net new list of prospects based on an ICP that I describe with natural language, and then enrich them for their contact information without even leaving the Claude interface. So I've came up with this prompt. It's decently ambiguous, just so you can see how it works. Looking for people who own pipeline, RevOps leaders, sales leaders, and I kept it ambiguous for a reason to see if it can auto-find the filters correctly. I just gave it an employee band of 100 to 500 employees for the company size, and ideally they've raised at least some kind of seed round before, so any kind of funding in the United States and in the software development industry. So let's see how it works. So you can see it actually retrying with the actual Cleanlist UI loaded in as well in order to get the narrowed search. So this is not only using our company search features, but it's also using Claude's brain or Opus 5 engine in order to find the companies first before it finds the people. Perfect, so it just returned a list of 63 people that you can see the titles are exactly what we're looking for. VP of RevOps, VP of Sales, Director of Sales Development, and these are all funded companies in the United States in the software development space with between 100 to 500 employees. So I've just told it to please enrich the first 10 with email and phone, and of course import these in our own list, call it Claude MCP demo. Perfect, so now you'll see that the 10 leads that we added to the list now have an email attached to them and a phone attached to them. If I jump into the portal as well, you can see here the primary email and phone has come back. So from here, either on Claude itself, you can ask to validate it, for example, or in the Actions tab, you can validate the email and phone this way. But again, you can take this in a million different directions. You can now sync these to your CRM, send it to your sequencer. But this is a net new list created within Claude's interface itself. All you need to do is just connect the Cleanlist MCP and you get the power of Opus 5 and Cleanlist all in one.